Hey, good Saturday morning, everybody. This is First Warn Storm Team Chief Meteorologist Brad. Just a quick update on this little band of snow, which is being driven by some really strong jet stream energy and another disturbance coming in behind our storm. We're still seeing snow across the mountains and foothills this morning. It's light snow. This isn't really piling up or anything, but it is producing a dusting to an inch back towards the west. Here in the Charlotte area, it is just now starting to snow at the airport, but temperatures are kind of in that magic threshold where they're just right around the freezing mark. I'm going to pop up the temperatures to the west, but in Charlotte, we're in the mid-30s, so this is probably going to melt on the way down, and it's going to have a tough time sticking. But just to show you the areas that are reporting snow, the airport's reporting snow, Statesville Airport, Lincolnton Airport, over there towards Asheville, and then down into the upstate, and then you see some rain reports. So there's definitely a little bit of a mix in there, but there is snow mixing in at times with this system as it's moving in from the west. You can see there's another disturbance coming down on the backside of this. This is going to be more of a snowmaker for the mountains. This will be a good northwest flow snow event as it moves to the North Carolina mountains. The bigger story today for everybody is just how cold it is. Temperatures in the teens and 20s and 30s. Likely not going to warm up much this afternoon. This is a really cold setup as these two disturbances rotate in. This is just the reinforcing shot of cold air. And oh, did you see that? This right here is a cool thing to see on the satellite image. This is actually not cloud cover. This is snow on the ground from the storm yesterday across the south. Just a little quick cool thing to see. Now, what's driving all this? This is the jet stream. This is what we call a jet stream. The winds in this area here are blowing up in this direction over 150 knots. This is almost 200-mile-an-hour winds in the heart of this, maybe 250 in the middle, that's driving all this. So when you look at the future cast, you can see that band. This is this morning right around 10 o'clock. We'll go to 11 o'clock. We'll go to 12. We'll go to 1 o'clock, 2, 3, 4, 5. It finally starts to move out, and you can see the next wave of snow coming down. Now this looks impressive on the radar future cast, but when you look at the actual accumulations, I'll back this up here. We'll look at the 3-hour snowfall totals. You're not seeing a whole lot being put down by this as it moves through. So probably the higher chances of accumulating snow are going to be up in this area as it moves through. But there could be a few grassy spots that pick up a dusting. Here's the snow depth, and a lot of this is from yesterday. You could see all the snow there, all the snow here, and then look how spotty it is here with the band coming through. I was talking to John Wendell. He drove down 77 yesterday. He said he got about to Mooresville, there was an inch, and then south of Mooresville, almost nothing. So this is our chance to get one little last burst of snow moving in. Yeah, I'll turn off just the radar, and you can see it moving in. Should take probably the next 2 to 3 hours to move across the area. Again, ground temperatures are still pretty warm. Air temperature is pretty warm, so don't expect anything too slick. Tonight, though, tonight's a night to be a little concerned about roads. Late tonight, early tomorrow, we're going to drop down into the teens and 20s for lows. So anything wet from the snow melt or the rain we got is going to ice up. Black ice can be a big issue in the morning, so please be safe late tonight and early tomorrow. The roads will actually be worse tonight than they were yesterday when the temperatures were above freezing and it was snowing. Have a great Saturday. I'll post updates as needed throughout the afternoon.